inspired by my love affair of vintage cars, beautiful interiors of airplanes, boats, the gondolas in Italy. Does it remind you of that? This is a Zebrano wood that used to be on the Mercedes dashboard, and I wanted to make a candle out of this concept of beautiful finish, lacquer finish. Then I added the Venetian plaster finish on this tray that houses the custom-made candle fragrance that you're going to choose. But the whole idea was, for me, how do I make a beautiful, quiet, and yet very loud piece of architecture at home that looks and reminds me of that beautiful finish that takes years to develop. This is the Zebrano wood, and if you run your fingers, it's in perfect connection of the cap. It's got a velvet finish base. It's all branded Thompson Ferrier. Everything is branded here with a beautiful finish and the attention to the actual details of every little nuance. It's the Zebrano candle.